Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locating the gaps. Scan the sheet, turn on filter, and show only blanks so you know the scope. Once done, replace invisible characters with Ctrl plus H, non-breaking spaces and extra line breaks cause empty-looking gaps. Make sure merged cells are unmerged now because they hide missing data and block row operations. You will also check frozen rows and protected ranges. These can prevent deletions. Start repairing immediately, so later steps run smoothly and predictably. You now consolidate. Apply trim and clean to key columns to remove leading/trailing spaces and hidden characters that create gaps. Next, use filter or sort on a helper range to pull only non-blank rows together. If order matters, include an index column so you can revert. Once grouped, copy-paste values back or use array formula with IF to shift data up dynamically. Make sure to check dependent formulas and named ranges so your consolidation does not break references elsewhere. You finish by pasting cleaned ranges as values so formulas do not reintroduce blanks, then restore formatting and validation rules. If duplicate blank rows appeared, run unique or a query to dedupe and verify no formulas show #ref. After deletions. If gaps persist, search for char, 160 non-breaking spaces or other control characters and replace them. For numbers and dates, use value or date value to normalize types. If something breaks, undo, inspect, protect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.